Hi there, this is Christy with Piece of Nature Photography, and I'm going to show you the nature ornaments. The ornaments here are made with a wood backer. There's a premium pro platinum photo print, a colored matte. This one has the red colored matte border around it. There's a real pine cone accented with white to represent snow. And then on the back you have a little name title card that tells you the name and the location of where the photo was taken. And each of these has a unique number. This one is number 87. And I'll show you what we have currently for our inventory for our booth. And starting with this one here is the Portland Head Lighthouse up in Cape Elizabeth, Maine. Here's a wood duck portrait, a showy lady's slipper. This is an interesting one. It's a snow and ice that's broken over the river, creating a heart shape. A common loon in the fall. A wood duck. An Atlantic puffin portrait. Autumn fall leaves. These are maple leaves. This is a full moon rise over the seacoast of New Hampshire. A blue morpho butterfly. This is the full moon, super moon from a couple years ago. I call this one E for extraordinary because as it's rising along the tree line, you can see the shape of an E forming in front of the moon. A painted trillium. This is a snowy morning view as the sun's coming up. It's shining on the trees, so this one is a sunrise after snowfall. Here we have another painted trillium, but this one is along the shores of the Waterville Cascades up in Waterville Valley area of New Hampshire. Here we have a water lily with a bumblebee. This one's called Water Lily Serenity. If there is a photo that you see on my website in my gallery that you'd like, I can make that into an ornament. So yes, I can do custom orders for ornaments as well, and it only takes a couple of days to turn these around.